Nalamari from Best RV in Torla, California. Brand new 2026 Astoria Platinum 3850. It's a 38-foot fifth wheel. Now, I'm going to talk about the outside features of the brand new 2026 because they change a lot and they add more stuff for you, which is you're going to like. One thing about this unit, nobody noticing, this has 2 power awning. So as you see on the side, a huge power awning on the front. Matter of fact, that front power awning cover the slide out of the dinette. And then you have a second power awning in the back in case if you want to hang around in the back of the slide and have barbecue, watch TV. So you have 2 power awnings, 2 AC, 200-watt solar panel. And if every slide out is protected with a slide topper, as you see, each slide has a slide topper. So if you go to a place where they have a lot of pine trees or like some debris, you don't have to worry about it, especially for in my age. I get tired to go on the top and sweep the slide out to keep them clean when I close the slide out. So with this features, I don't have to do nothing. All I do just push a switch, close the slide, the debris on the slide topper, they'll go down. It'll help you in the snow, help you in the rain, and protect your slide out and the roof of the slide out. Now, in the Astoria Platinum, what they did for 26, that's important. You need to know now because we're going on the 26 models and we start getting all these 26 inventory. And I want to educate you and give you more information in your lab to see how value this unit from the features and the benefit. And we're going to support it with a low price at Best RV Center. Now, on the Astoria Platinum, they changed the logo. Now it became a chrome. Now, somebody's going to tell me it's cosmetic. It's no big deal, but it helped a lot. So you don't have a decal shrinking. All this cap on the front, as you see, is a painted cap, not a decal. You have a nice LED strip on both sides and LED in the front. This has helped a lot when you try to back up at the middle of the night to when you reach too late at the campground and you want to take your truck off from the fifth wheel. It helps so you could see what's going on in your truck bed. Another advantage, if you notice in the cap, it has a curve in the front here as well in the other corner. That will help you for short bed, so it give you more clearance. In the back, we on the slide out, they are cable slide out. They're more stronger than the swing slide. As well, they have a slide topper, so that will help you a lot on the long run. Pass-through storage, and you can see it has a beautiful shock. And I want to point thing here because nobody noticed what they did. They add the solar panel controller. This is 30 amp solar panel controller on the unit. They have the switch for the slide out, the solar panel if you want it to work or not. Like some people, they say, I'm parking next to the house. I don't need the solar. Then you just turn it off. You have the cap light. You have the docking light. And then you have the cargo light, as you see, that big, nice LED. So they add that nice LED strip to give you more bright. Plus, they give you a TV hookup here. And then you're going to say, now, why they give TV hookup in the basement? Because some people, they put their TV here to protect it from the outside element. They put 32-inch TV and they plug it in here for the coax on 110. So that's a plus. So these kind of features. And then also you could see the aluminum structure. It has a nice shock on the door so you don't hit the slide, you don't hit your head. That's a nice features. Now going here, we have a nice 4 steps to get in, not 3. And again, this is 3803 front living room, 3803. Outside speakers, they're marine. And then they give you here another TV hookup with the brackets. So if you want to put your 40-inch, 40-inch TV outside, plug it in, and you're going to say, now, wait a minute, what about the shit? Don't worry. They give you 2 power awning, one here and one there. So the whole side of this trailer has awnings. Endless hot water heater, Suburban endless on-demand hot water heater. Everybody using it right now these days. In the back, what is make Astoria different than the other brands is they give you the rear ladder. A lot of manufacturers now, they give you just leopard expandable hookup for ladder. They give you the ladder. Backup camera prep, gel coated. Feel how shiny it is. Why? Because it's a thicker graded of fiberglass. It's not just the shine because it's thicker, so it does not get dull, and you don't have the issue of the delaminations. Class 3 hitch in the back with a plug. Some people, they could do a triple. Some people, they could pull a boat, small boat. or bike rack or a tray. You put your fire pits, picnic tables, ice chests, and so on. 50 amp service to AC. And then you have a 3 slider. So the Astoria 3803 has 5 slide outs, 2 in the passenger side, 3 on the driver's side. And this is, I believe, is the king size bed. What they did is they separated between inside and outside. So you have a big storage for outside for dirty stuff. And then you have the half the bed storage inside for your blanket and sheets and pillows. Sani flush. This is a freshwater tank hookup. This is a really nice docking stations where you do all your city water, black water, outside shower, cable, satellite. And here's the switch to do your auto leveling. And you just hit the switch and you level the unit. I love this shock, does not hit the slide and does not come on your face. 2 7-gallon, one on each side. That's a big plus. 1 7-gallon, 1 7-gallon. And then over here you have the spare tires, which is protected, your battery, inverter prep. In case if you decide to have inverter, we could add it here, it's no question asked. Let's go inside the 3803 FLP. I like about it's easy to get in the step. Wow, nice. Coming in. As you see, it's a front living room fifth wheel. So you have the nice front living room over here. You have a nice kitchen with the island in the middle. 2 bathroom and king size bed. A single bath here for the guests. As well, you have the huge bathroom in the back with a lot of room. Now, Astoria, what I like about it is they give you everything. There's nothing you need to do. You have 2 hide-a-bed sofa. By the way, those 2 hide-a-bed sofa, they get two big beds, so you can sleep 2 and 4 people here. You have a nice theater seating, and they're big one. You see, and they open, and they don't interfere with the hide-a-bed sofa. So you can see I'm sitting, laying down, and enjoying a beautiful smart TV in front of me. So people sitting on this hide-a-bed as well that hide-a-bed, and the 2 people sitting on those theater seated, they could watch the TV with no problem. The entertainment center speak for itself. Beautiful. As you see, they have a nice cabinet on both sides, center TV. They give you a stereo system, which is these days nobody give a stereo system on their unit. So you have AM, FM, Bluetooth, USB, you name it. AM stereo system. Nice fireplace, very modern. You have storage here as well with shelf, storage with shelf. European hinges, everything closed by itself. As soon as you just slam it like this, it closes by itself. Now, this one has, we say, 2 ACs. There's the AC here for the front living room, and there's the AC in the bedroom. Very roomy. I like this shelf. You could store things on it if you want. There's 1 tin plug, and it's very roomy. Going to the bathroom, really wider. Other brands narrower. This is wider with the handle, make it easy to get into the front living room and coming down. Kitchen speak for itself. Ladies, you're getting your pantry. We don't forget about you. So you have a pantry with adjustable shelf. Then you have the appliances. I call it the appliances counter. I love this LED. I wish I have this in my kitchen. You have a beautiful LED built in inside the counter. You put your toaster, coffee makers, and so on. There's 1 tins. And then you have the nice, I like this touch. Simple, but it makes sense. You put your towels. Here's you put your, again, kitchen storage. I use this bar. I could put some bottles, glasses, you name it. Kitchen, they give you everything you ask for. You have the country sink. You have the waterfall. You have outside, spray faucet, soap dispensers, and a cup dispenser, cutting board, solid surface with LED light built in. And then you have a huge storage underneath the kitchen sink. If the cameraman comes this side, he will show you. So plenty of room, plenty of room. You get your pantry, so don't worry. And then you have over here the 30-inch microwave, storage in the top. You have the plugs, storage on the side. Nice big 3-burner range with oven, cooking pan tray, could store things in it. And then going over here, so you have the 2-door refrigerators. You could see roomy, one for fridge, cold food, freezer. And across from this nice island, you have a nice counter. And again, now you see a big distance. It does not mean big distance you're gonna eat like this. No, no, no. This is you scoop. You could push this one, get it closer to you if you want to. This is a portable, remove with the storage. As well, it give you 2 chairs. So it make it easy, especially, you know, like I had a couple of friends. I mean, they're big guys and you need room. Some of them, they don't give you room. This one is plenty of room for you. Nice eating table with a modern lights, all 3 windows open. And then if your guests want to use the bathroom, or if you want to use the bathroom, you have a guest bathroom here, very roomy, nice, and solid cabinet with a fantastic fan in the top, plenty of room. So you could see people using this fifth wall, they don't need to walk through this door. You could keep this door locked and nobody see what's going on behind that door. And then they could come, eat, cook, eat, use the bathroom, live, and go outside. Nobody need to go inside my master suite. And that's what I like about this unit, the privacy in the master suite. Wow, even it lock, you see? Wow, it's amazing. Woo, that's a big bathroom. Another nice about this unit is a king size bed. I mean, even if I lay down on this bed, I mean, I don't know. Look how big. I get lost in this bed. This is a big bed. 2 people sleep here. There's window open on both sides for wind circulations. There's USB plug here, so I could plug it in my phone. So when I'm playing with my Facebook, I could plug it in right there. There's a shelf here for bottled waters, shelf there. Or if you have a breathing machine, you could put it here, and there's a plug for 110 in both sides. Facing you, a smart TV. Again, with this unit, I'm telling you, you don't have to buy nothing. Just food and clothes and go camping or go live in it. Nice smart TV in the bedroom. And again, you don't need to do nothing. Just turn it on with the remote control. Nice counter for the lady for makeup, hair dryers, and so on. Big 2 closets. You know, hanging clothes, no question asked. Plenty room. Now, if I close this door, I want to show you, and then you have your AC. So you have your own AC, your own king size bed, your own TV, your own closet, and I have my own master bathroom. So when I'm standing here, and the cameraman is going to flip the camera and show you, it's a full privacy suite. So I wash, I take a shower, I dressed up, I go to bed, I do whatever I want. I don't want to fix the bed, I don't care, because this door closed, no one could see anything. That's a big deal. Going to the bathroom, now if you want a privacy also in the bathroom, no problem, because the unit comes with a nice pocket door. And that's give you also more privacy in the bedroom. So as you see, this unit, it has the biggest shower you could get. 2 vanity. Look how big the counter space between this sink and that sink. So you could put your hair dryers, whatever you want. Nice mirrors with LED light. Nice cabinet. You could use it as a medicine cabinet. You know, putting things, doors. And then you have a huge linen closets. Now this one has the stackable washer closets. And again, there's a light. I have to go turn the switch on, but they come with a light. Again, these are removable. So if you said now, give me a combo, I don't want the stackable. So the combo here stayed at this level, then this shelf stay, or I could take these shelf, hang clothes. You could do multi things. Or you could say, now, no, I want the stackable. The 2 pieces, one for washing, one for dryers. So the washer will be this level and the dryer will be that level. So you lose these shelves. The toilets, porcelain, by the way, plenty room for knees, no issue. And it has a window. That's what I really like. These days, nobody put window open for circulation and fresh air in the bathroom. The Astoria 3803 come with that. Again, another fan in the bathroom. Big, huge shower. I mean, you could see it. Your eye will prove for you. Oh my God! Like, I could put 2 people inside. Big shower head, no issue, and glass door. So when you close it, no water go outside. So folks, when it comes to front living room, you need to check the Astoria Platinum 3803 because we're making it in a price no one could match, and we have them on an awesome deal. And again, this floor plan, I have it in both way. I have it in what you see here, plus I have it with a painted unit. So if you come to me and say, you know, my competitors, they give me a front living room with the full body paint. Yes, I do, because Astoria, they make it 2 ways, full body paint or the standard. This is the standard. Come to Best RV and we assure you, we give you a price no one could match in this side of the country, and we support it with a free dealer prep, free get ready package. We make the unit ready for you at no cost. Put us to the test. Average dealers in this state, they charge between $1,500 to $2,500. What Best RV charge? Zippo, nothing, free, included in our price. Come to Best RV and we'll love to make this unit for you.